Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to copy contacts. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your tab and find Google. All services and find Google Contacts Synchronization. Now you can synchronize device and SIM contacts or restore contacts from other phone. Select it and select restore. And it's done. On some Android versions, you can also tap and hold on contacts to mark them. And then you can move to another account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.